Despite the affordable price, this actually feels modern and premium in the hand. The build quality surprised me. It doesn't feel like a budget tool. It's 110,000 RPM. For my short hair, it's fast. For long hair, it still takes a bit of time, but there's a noticeable jump in efficiency compared to my old professional dryer. Even though my previous Pro dryer is slightly stronger, the gap isn't that big. Plus, my hair doesn't feel fried or have that split-end dryness after using this. The Essence nozzle is an interesting concept, but honestly, I stopped using it after a few tries because I got a bit lazy switching it out. It works, but it's an extra step. Final thoughts. If this gets the job done and protects your hair, you don't need to drop thousands on a Dyson unless you really want to.